Okay, let's look at our fifth problem type. If I get my pen to work here, there it goes. Let's look at our first example. Got 7 minus negative 3x plus 4 minus 2 times 8x minus 3. And the instructions are to simplify the algebraic expression. Well, if we have a negative out in front of our parentheses, that's like having a negative 1 there. So this is a distributive property. We're going to take negative 1 times negative 3x and times 4. And we'll also take this negative 2 times 8x and times negative 3. Okay, negative 1 times negative 3x gives us a positive 3x. Negative 1 times 4 gives us negative 4. Negative 2 times 8x gives us negative 16x. And negative 2 times negative 3 gives us a positive 6. Now I'm going to rearrange it so the like terms are together. Remember, like terms are same variable to same power. And I'll put the numbers together also. Now when you move things around, you have to keep the signs that are in front of them with them. Now combine together like terms. 3x minus 16x gives us negative 13x. 7 minus 4 is 3, plus 6 gives us 9. Now the shortcut to that is, if you got a negative in front of your parentheses, just flips the sign of everything inside. So negative 3x becomes positive, the 4 becomes negative. Okay, let's look at the next one here. 7x plus 2 minus 3, 4x minus 1. Again, if I were to think of a number here, it's always an invisible 1 if you don't have a number. So we're going to take the negative 1 times 7x and times 2, and we'll take negative 3 times 4x and times negative 1. Well, negative 1 times 7x is negative 7x. Negative 1 times 2 gives us negative 2. Negative 3 times 4x is negative 12x. And negative 3 times negative 1 gives us a positive 3. I'm going to rearrange it so like terms are together. Put the x's together and the numbers are together. So that gives us negative 7x, negative 12x is negative 19x. And negative 2 plus 3 gives us 1. And let's look at our third example. We got negative 9 times x plus 2 minus 3 times x plus 4. Okay, so we're going to use the distributive property again. Take negative 9 times x and times 2, and negative 3 times x and times 4. Well, negative 9 times x is negative 9x. Negative 9 times 2 is negative 18. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Now again, I'm going to rearrange it so like terms are together. So I got negative 9x and negative 3x, and negative 18 and negative 12. Combine together like terms. Negative 9x, negative 3x is negative 12x. Combine together the numbers. We've got negative 18, negative 12, which gives us negative 30. And that's our answer.